Welcome to the Long Range Outlook brought to you by May Landscaping Services, LLC, right there in Norfolk, Virginia. Hardscaping, landscaping, snow removal right there. Great business that we hooked up with here at East Coast Weather Association. So check him out. And looks like that storm system pulls away. There's some wraparound snow showers, residual stuff only here Wednesday. And then as that storm pulls away, it's going to remain cold across the East Coast. The cold enough to snow line, as I call it, the 540 line, this little feature right here in the models, when it goes down deep into the south like that, that usually means it's cold. This is cold enough to snow temperatures. Of course, there's nothing here. It's just blue skies right now down here in Charlotte. And some wraparound effect up here up in the northeast. Some residual snow showers on the backside of this system are very likely here. Now, let's take it into the future here. It looks like we start to warm up. The air mass moderates here across the East Coast. It just warms slowly up. There's another system that approaches from the west through Canada. And looks like next weekend it's questionable system that comes through on the 18th and into the 19th. It looks like rain down here in the south mostly. The only question is up in southeast Pennsylvania, but it's looking too warm. This warm push right here is going to keep everything all rain up there in Philly and Pennsylvania as we head in New Jersey. Only question is New York, Long Island. It's warm enough, or cold enough, I should say, to snow across there as we head into this next Saturday, this next weekend. But then it just kind of wraps up there around New England, but I'm not so sure about that being accurate. I think it's more of a system that just moves off the coast down here. Again, everything is all rain for Hampton Roads. Looks like it's close right there with that blue dotted line being only just to the west. But as that moves through, that system's already escaped out to sea. So whatever falls is going to be all in the form of rain. Not even as cold as it was down here in the Carolinas either. It's not going to be as extreme as what this storm was. Okay, so that moves away. That's history. A little bit of a cool down there in the northeast. Some more wraparound snow behind that system. Here comes the system out of the Midwest and bringing some showers and some thunderstorms with it, even some severe possibly as we get cranking here through the end of March. And here comes another cold front across the northeast, some more rain into Tuesday the 21st. And that system is also history. And here comes a big storm system out of the Central Plains winding up. Lots of severe weather associated with this. This is probably going to be a big-time tornadic outbreak next Friday, the 24th. So beware the Ides of March, is what they say. Chicago, your typical locations out here, anywhere along ahead of a cold front, you're going to see some, unfortunately, some tornadic activity, some supercells possible here across Carolinas and even up into western Virginia with this system, and it kind of fizzles away. And towards the 27th of this month, later this month, another system ejects out of the Rockies, bringing more severe weather, thunderstorms, tornadoes. And this is the pattern it looks like towards the end of March is going to be more of a severe weather pattern, very active. The Gulf is open for business with moisture, all kinds of thunderstorms. And as we transition into late this month, it looks to be more of the same story. And the start of April looks active out there. Looks like a lot of severe weather to end this month. Meteorologist Mike Griffith for East Coast Weather Association is brought to you by May Landscaping Services, LLC in Norfolk area, Virginia, and also Burton Farms here in Lincolnton, North Carolina. Excellent fruit farm. Check them out. Thanks a lot, everybody. It's Mike. Have a great one.